Are you seeing the dreaded HTTP 500 internal server error on your website? Don't worry, it's a common issue and can be fixed quickly. In this video, I'll guide you through simple and effective steps to resolve it. If you need help, feel free to contact me through my Upwork profile or send me a message via webcitylab.com. Let's get started. First, let's understand what this error means. A 500 internal server error is a generic message indicating that something has gone wrong on the server, but the server doesn't provide specific details. It could be caused by corrupted files, plugin or theme issues, incorrect file permissions, server configuration problems. Step 1. Check your htaccess file. This file is often the culprit due to incorrect configurations. Log into your hosting panel, or FTP client. Navigate to the root directory of your website. Locate the .htaccess file and rename it to .htaccess_backup. Then refresh your website. If it works, generate a new htaccess file by saving your website's permalinks in WordPress. Step 2. Increase your PHP memory limit. Low memory can cause this error, especially for resource-heavy websites. Go to your hosting control panel, look for the PHP settings or multi-PHP INI editor. Increase the memory limit to 256 M or higher. Save the changes and reload your website. Step 3. Disable all plugins and themes. Sometimes incompatible plugins or themes trigger the error. Access your WordPress dashboard or file manager. Rename the plugins folder to plugins_disabled. Check your website. If it works, rename the folder back and enable plugins one by one to identify the problem. Step 4. Check your file and folder permissions. Incorrect permissions can also cause this error. Set file permissions to 644 and folder permissions to 755. Use your hosting's file manager or an FTP client to update these settings. Step 5. Review your server error logs. These logs provide clues about what's causing the issue. Look for error messages in the log files through your hosting control panel. Address the specific errors mentioned or share them with your hosting provider for assistance. If these steps don't work, it might be time to call in a professional. You can hire me via my Upwork profile or contact me directly at webcitylab@gmail.com. I offer 24/7 support and quick solutions for all your website needs. I hope this video helped you fix the HTTP 500 error. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others facing the same issue. See you next time.